Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're zeroing in on something you probably don't think about much, but it's super important in your home: water valves.
That's right.
We've been looking at some specialized guides, really trying to unpack the big benefits of keeping these valves in good shape.
And we specifically focused on materials like guides from Pacific Blue Mechanical. They really target certain types of urban areas.
Okay.
And this isn't just, simple on-off stuff. It's about dealing with complex plumbing, especially where older pipes meet newer living.
That makes sense. So let's kick things off there. Why does location matter so much? Why is a place like Kitsilano in Vancouver different from, say, a brand new development?
Well, it really comes down to the age of the infrastructure.
Yeah.
Kitsilano, for example, it's got this mix. You've got modern buildings right next door to homes with plumbing systems that might be, 80, 90, even 100 years old.
Wow, really?
Yeah, think galvanized pipes, original copper lines from the 20s or 30s. So your standard quick fix, it often just won't cut it. The Pacific Blue Mechanical Guide really highlights this. You need someone who actually knows these older systems, understands the local codes, how things wear down differently. That's key for getting a fix that actually lasts.
Right, so it's not a one-size-fits-all situation at all. The age adds a layer of complexity. Okay, so let's talk payoff then. Why should someone, bother with valve maintenance before something breaks? Most people only call when there's an emergency, right?
That's the common pattern, yeah. But the benefits of being proactive are pretty substantial, way beyond just stopping a sudden flood.
Like what?
Well, first off, you prevent really costly damage. Think about a tiny, slow leak from a valve nobody notices. It's not just wasting water. Over time, it can soak everything inside your walls. We're talking drywall damage, rot in the wood structure, even serious mold problems. That tiny drip can turn into a, five-figure repair job. A small fix now avoids a massive headache later.
Yeah, nobody wants that kind of headache. And I guess it helps with water bills too.
Absolutely. Big time. Good valve maintenance means your system is more efficient. Less water wasted, lower bills for you. Plus, think about selling your home.
Oh, good point.
Yeah, a reliable water system, especially one with proof of maintenance, that's a huge plus for buyers. It protects your home's value, maybe even increases it. And finally, there's safety and compliance. Regular checks, make sure everything's up to code, avoiding hazards or, potential fines.
Okay. So preventing damage, saving water and money, protecting value, and staying safe. Those are pretty solid reasons. Now, inside the walls, we hear these terms like gate valve, ball valve, globe valve. They just look like knobs to most of us. What's the actual difference?
That's a fair question.
Yeah.
So gate valves are common, designed to shut off water completely. But they use a metal wedge that moves kind of slowly, and they can wear out over time.
Right.
Ball valves are often replacing them. They use a ball with a hole. You give it a quarter turn, bam, water's off almost instantly. Really reliable, especially for emergencies.
Okay, faster.
Yeah. And then there's the globe valve. This one's different. It's not really for a full shutoff. It's designed to regulate the flow, control the pressure precisely. You'll often find these on outdoor spigots or for certain appliances. Knowing which helps understand your system's overall health.
Interesting. And speaking of health, that Pacific Blue Mechanical Guide mentioned something pretty cool: smart valves. Sounds futuristic. How do those work?
Oh, they're genuinely a game changer.
Great.
Really, these aren't just passive valves. They actively monitor your water flow, constantly.
Ow.
They measure the flow rate. So if the system detects something weird, maybe a small continuous flow in the middle of the night when nothing should be running, it alerts you.
On your phone.
Exactly, right to your phone. And get this, many can even shut off the main water supply remotely if they detect a serious leak. The source material really stresses the peace of mind this gives homeowners. You can check on things, control things from anywhere.
Wow, okay. That's actually pretty amazing. So, for you, the homeowner listening, what does this all boil down to? What are the simple signs, the non-emergency signs the guide mentions that might mean trouble's brewing?
Yeah, good question. You need to keep an eye out for the obvious stuff, like visible drips or leaks around the valves.
Yeah.
But also listen for strange noises, clicking, banging, humming when water is running. And just look at the valves themselves. See obvious rust, corrosion. That's a heads up.
Got it. Little warning signs.
Exactly. The main takeaway, really, from all the sources is be proactive. Don't wait for disaster. An annual inspection, it's a small investment, but it's critical. It helps the whole plumbing system last longer, not just the valves.
Yeah.
Saves you learning about water damage the hard way.
Right. Proactive, not reactive. Makes total sense. So here's a final thought to leave you with. If smart valves can watch over our pipes remotely, what other systems in our homes, electrical, heating, could maybe be managed like that to protect us, save us money, give us that peace of mind, something to think about. Thanks for diving deep with us today.